Remember this, your obedience in discomfort can open a spring of blessing. Ulitin ko po yun. Your obedience in discomfort can open a spring of blessings. But remember, this is the lesson. Bitterness has its sweetness in the end. Mapait ngayon, pero kalaunan, ito'y nagiging matamis. Amen? When God gives you what you don't like, trust His purpose. Wala naman pong binibigay ang Diyos sa atin na wala siyang mabuting dahilan. God has always His good purpose why He allows us to experience bad things in this life. Mga kapatid, baka meron po kayong pinagdadaanan na mahirap, mabigat ngayon. May sakit ka, may problema kayo sa pamilya, stress ka sa trabaho mo, may pagsubok na paulit-ulit na lang na bumabalik, may pagkawala sa buhay, namatayan ka, o baka ikaw ay nangungulila, homesick. Baka meron kang pangarap na hanggang ngayon hindi pa natutupad. Sinasabi mo, ayoko na, wala nang pag-asa, dead end na. Baka ang hamon ng Diyos sa iyo ngayon, ganito. Hindi mo man ito gusto, magtiwala ka lang. Dahil ang mga pagsubok ay pagpapala. In every burden, there is a hidden blessing. Amen? Remember, the cross was painful, but it was God's will. The tomb was dark, but it was God's will. The muddy spring was uncomfortable, but it was God's will. All of this became a source of healing, salvation, and grace. Kaya huwag mo sasabihin na walang grasya dito. Please correct your belief. God's will doesn't always feel good and comfortable, but it will always lead us to the good. Di mo man nararamdaman mabuti, pero dinadala ka niyan sa mabuti. Amen? Hindi lahat ng mabuti ay masarap. Mag-ingat po kayo. At hindi lahat ng biyaya ay komportable. Hindi lahat ng plano ng Diyos ay minsan bagay sa panlasa natin. Pero tandaan niyo po ito mga kapatid, God's will is not always pleasant, but it is always perfect. Amen? Sa mga bagay na inaayawan mo ngayon, masa ka, maniwala ka, pwedeng maging himala mo bukas. Amen. Magandang